Bring Bologna street food into your kitchen. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Piadina is a flatbread and one of the most popular street food in the entire Emilia Romagna region. It has no yeast. It was originally the bread of the poor. Over time, it became a staple served warm and folded around cheese, vegetables and cured meat. And while it is easy to find in Italian supermarket, if you cannot find it in your local store, it is one of the simplest bread you can make. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below, and you can find and print the full detailed recipe on my blog at the link above. One thing to know before you start, this dough needs 2 resting periods, so plan for about 1 hour before you start cooking, and make sure the lard is at room temperature. Now, let's make the dough. Add your flour, baking soda, salt to a bowl, and mix the dry ingredient together first. Then, add the lard and the water. Most recipes online use olive oil, but lard is what gives the piadina its real flavor, and that slightly crumbly texture. Mix everything until the dough comes together. It should be smooth and not sticky. Cover the bowl and let it rest for 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax, so the dough rolls out flat without springing back. After the first rest, knead the dough by hand for about 1 minute until it is uniform and smooth. Then cut it into 8 equal pieces and roll each piece into a small ball. Cover the bowl and let them rest for another 30 minutes. After the second rest, take one bowl and roll it flat with a rolling pin. If you have a dough press, the same type used for tortillas, it works very well here too. Place the ball on a parchment paper on the press. Cover with a second sheet of parchment paper and press down. If you want a thinner or larger piadina like the Rimini way, roll it even thinner with a rolling pin. To cook the piadina, heat a skillet or a crepe pan over high heat. You do not need any fat in the pan. Place the piadina flat and cook it until you see bubble forming on the surface. Then, flip it and cook the other side until it's golden brown. Stack them finished piadina on a plate and serve them while they're still warm. Now for the classic filling. Spread Squacquerone cheese across half of the piadina. If you cannot find it, stracchino or crescenza are the right substitute. Add slices of fresh tomato, a handful of rocket salad, a little salt and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Fold the other half over, then cut it into slices before serving. Because piadina is crumbling, it will not fold like a tortilla, so cutting it into triangle keeps the filling from falling out of the back while you eat. You can prepare the piadina ahead of time and keep them in the fridge wrapped in cling film. Warm them up in the oven or on a grill when you're ready to serve them. For more Italian street food recipe like this one, check out the playlist I have linked for you. And don't forget to subscribe, so you don't miss out our next culinary adventure. I like to fill it with grilled summer vegetables.